Let me ask you two questions. Can you list your priorities in rank order? And on any given week, do you know how much time you're spending on each of those priorities? If you can answer those two questions, amazing, you're way ahead of the curve. Most people I ask can't, and this presents a striking problem in today's fast-paced world. If you can't answer those two questions, how do you know that you're spending your time on the things that matter most to your success? What if you found out that you were spending time on things that actually don't contribute to your success? We'll be discussing this through a simple three-step method I call set, schedule, and score to help you focus on the things that matter most to your success. Let's dive in. Step number one is to set. This is about setting your priorities in rank order. A quick tip for setting. Set and rank your priorities in alignment with your manager's priorities. By aligning with your manager, you're getting a soft agreement that should you perform on these priorities, you're likely going to get a great performance rating. Step number two is to schedule. If you're anything like most people I know, if it's not in the calendar, it doesn't get done. So schedule the activities that ladder up to your priorities every week. A quick time-saving tip on scheduling. Color code your calendar so that on any given day, you can quickly scan the day and know how much time you spent on each priority. And step number three is to score. This is about measuring yourself to understand the gap between the goal and achieved percentage of time that you wanted to spend on each priority. 3 quick tips. Tip number one, set a goal amount of time you want to spend on each priority weekly. Tip number two, at the end of each day, identify how much time you actually spent on each of those priorities. And tip number three, at the end of each week, measure yourself to see how close you came to the goal. So there you have it. 3 simple steps. Set, schedule, and score. Now this seems incredibly easy to do, but what you find is that it's hard in practice. As some would say, common sense, uncommon practice. But I promise, if you stick with it, you will be more productive and less stressed. I genuinely believe that by solving for time, our greatest common denominator, that you will be more productive and less stressed. We can't do everything, but we can all do the things that matter most to us. I hope this simple 3-step process has been a small but meaningful benefit in your journey to being more productive and less stressed. Thank you.